Yo, what's
Yo, what's
up?
up? Okay, so today we are in Canggu, Brawa. We've got so many requests asking about how is Canggu, Brawa. Today we've got appointment with one guy, I think from, where is he?
Norway.
From Norway.
He's
Yeah.
actually Indonesian but living in Norway for more than 10 years. He invited us, we're gonna meet him later on, but meanwhile we're gonna have a coffee and show you a little bit about Canggu Brava, how it looks like live here. Alright, while we are waiting for the coffee, this is how it looks, the restaurant. On the second floor, it's actually cool here, and I wanna show you what this looks outside. This is the big transformer of electric, so many cables. But this is not the main focus of today's vlog. Here is some cows and empty land, but check this out at the front. What is this? Alright, so just behind us is the biggest project in Canggu and probably one of the biggest in Bali right now. It's called Holy Wing. And it's the investigation by Indonesian people, group of Indonesians, and one very interesting investor. His name is Mr.
Hotman Paris.
Very interesting person. You can Google about him actually if you're interested. But many Indonesians I think know and heard about him.
Actually, a group of people is called Holy Wings Group from Jakarta. In Jakarta, also Holy Wings has a, they set the luxurious restaurant in Jakarta, and they built here in Bali, especially in Canggu Brawa. And the group I think that it is led by Mr. Hotman Paris. He is the most famous they said the word famous and richest lawyer in Indonesia, and I think that he used to live in Australia a long time ago, and also he's a famous lawyer in Australia. And then he is famous for everything is possible in Indonesia, so you can Google about it.
He says everything is possible in Indonesia, and he has very interesting style, so you can Google about that because it's worth it. Alright guys, so that's how it looks from the different street, the construction, and this is not any kind of paid endorsement for them or promoting anyone or the guy or the group or this building or investigation, anything. However, if you are coming to Canggu, this investigation is huge. It's just not possible you're gonna miss this because this is gonna change the landscape of Canggu forever. So, and also somebody asked us to talk about that, show about that, so here we go. Meanwhile, we're gonna enjoy our rest of the day in Canggu today. So we had our coffee there. Here's the land with the steel cows here. Still, because for sure one day will be something here. And the Holy Wings group is here at the front. It's huge, really huge, guys. I will try to cross the street to show you a little bit around. It's very, very big. I'm not sure exactly what's gonna be inside, but it's big. Well, and then the front in this area is so many new places, restaurants, so many people. It's a steel project here, actually. So this area of Canggu is developing very, very well. This is probably one of the most developed area of Canggu. And there at the front, if you can see, there are 3 or 4 Alphard's cars. So yeah, there are Saint-Tropez, Fins, many fancy places. And seems like some people have money in Indonesia right now. So that's somehow good for the business owners around, right?
Yeah, I think that from where we have been before, we were in Ubud, we were in Legian, in Kuta. I think that Canggu nowadays is the most busiest place. You see like domestic tourists, but I don't know, how is the expat still here or already back home? Let's see how it is the hustle and bustle life here.
Okay, so here at the front is Saint-Tropez, which is the same owners as famous Fins Beach Club, but the new building and new beach club, just the same owners, different brand. Welcome to Saint-Tropez. And some people driving around, actually, seems like it's...
Yeah, I think that whenever you go to Saint-Tropez, you have to wear a proper clothes, like not the casual one.
Yo, the people are still happy in Canggu, I have to say. Yeah, in Saint-Tropez, I think you need to wear proper outfit, dress code.
Not the casual with bintang shirt, something like that.
No, I don't think so. But in Fins, I think still okay, but not in the Saint-Tropez. And here is the access and everything. And I think the Fins Beach Club is open, and we're gonna have later our appointment there. Here is some Milano restaurant.
Yeah,
hello, how are you? Yeah, that's good, that's good. Hello. Hello. but the beach over there is closed, and the Mr. Pechalang's waiting and blocking the access to the beach.
And look at the fence. I think it's already full.
Yeah,
Yeah, we will
full.
have appointment, but we will stroll around the fence area. Yeah, unfortunately the beach is closed.
Here is some bazaar.
Yeah.
The beach is closed. Hello. Not saying hello, but maybe next time. All right, so this is the backstage of Canggu. Actually, this is very interesting. It's so empty land here. The cows still, and on the other side is already apartments or villas, or I don't even know what is it. And just on the opposite way, just behind me, is the main street where you saw all the investments, investitions and stuff like this. But look at these cows, they are so beautiful. Actually,
This
beautiful
one,
cows.
this land is the only empty land
What left in Canggu?
in Barawa. I
In
mean,
Barawa
like
area, yes.
in the area of Fins Beach Club, and you know, surrounded by the hotel. You see that surround apartment, hotels, and yeah. So this is how it is.
All right, so we took a little break from our meeting to continue our vlog today. Unfortunately, the person who we met, he don't really want to be on the vlog today, so we have to respect that. But meanwhile, we are walking on the beach, and Fins is just at the front of us.
And yeah, Fins Beach Club. I think that because the, you know, the access is closed, and we can go to the beach because of, you know, coming from the Fins, and the lifeguard or security let us go to the beach.
Yeah.
And yeah.
So basically, if you are a guest of the Fins Beach Club, you can go to the beach, but public access to the beach is closed, and this is actually a little bit unfair to the local businesses what are around, because okay, Fins, everybody knows, the huge company in Bali, one of the biggest beach clubs, if you don't know somehow, but the local businesses, yeah, they have to stay closed. So
Yeah, we will show you how the warung surroundings, normally like, you know, small warungs next to the Fins Beach Club, nowadays still remain closed.
all right, so here at the front, where is the lady security over there, is Saint-Tropez, and well, this is supposed to be a local warungs here, but unfortunately, as you see, they are all closed. So that's sad. That's actually sad. I had to say. And at the front is more development. So Canggu still Canggu all the time is keep pushing development. Even during conditions, maybe the current condition makes this warungs closed, but the development and investors, they still keep pushing it. So I just realized as the wall, what you saw on the street is this one. This is the Holy Wing, and here, exactly where we're standing, will be the swimming pool, and that's gonna be huge. It's really huge investment here.
Yeah, so I think this one is a part of the Holy Wings project, and I heard that the Holy Wings restaurant or beach club will be the biggest beach club. So yeah, for the rest information, you can Google about it, guys.
All right, guys, so that's how it looks like. We have to come back to the Fins to continue our meeting with lovely guests. Unfortunately, we're not gonna vlog too much inside because it's so loud music and everything. That's not really good for algorithm of YouTube and stuff like this. I don't want to get the copyrights or block my channel after that because of music, but we're gonna show you a little bit snaps from the club inside. And yeah,
Maybe for those who never been to Fins Beach Club, you will see later on how it is inside Fins Beach Club nowadays. But yeah, this is how it is. The warung surroundings, like behind me, unfortunately closed, but the beach club and big restaurant, it remains open.
that's exactly what one person always commenting. Big companies will still keep going, keep developing, but the small businesses probably will going down. That's unfortunately a real example what's going on right now in Bali, and I think everywhere around the world. Okay.
I think that's all our video today, guys, from Barawa, Canggu. Thank you for watching and see you tomorrow. Bye.